Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share with you the review of a newly launched skincare product, and you can see that is this one. This is Lakme Peach Milk Ultra Light Gel. So now let's begin with the review of this product. So you can see the packaging of this product. It is so cute, so beautiful, and it's written Lakme Peach Milk Ultra Light Gel 24-hour Moisture Lock. So I took this product from Nykaa during the Pink Friday sale that was going on, and surely I will also share the haul with you in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that. The main key ingredient in this gel is peach extract. So peach extract has a lot of benefits for our skin. So it is a very good source of vitamin C, which is very beneficial for our skin. It also helps in reducing wrinkles. And it also is a common ingredient that is found in many anti-aging face masks and products. So it also has tightening properties, skin tightening properties. It tightens the skin pores and does wonders for a tired skin. So definitely this product is good for our skin, and also there is no paraben in this product. That is a good part. And here it's written, it's a lightweight gel formula that melts into the skin, locking in moisture for 24 hours without leaving any oily residue and giving your skin a non-sticky fresh look that lasts all day long. So these are all the details mentioned. So the MRP of this product is rupees 150, and we are getting 3 years of shelf life, and net weight is 65 grams. You can see. This particular product is available in 2 sizes tubs. One is this one. This is 65 grams, and the other one is 150 grams. It is light pink in color, you can see, and the consistency is very lightweight, and it doesn't feels like you're applying anything on your face. It's very watery, and it is like gel, and after applying it gets instantly absorbed on skin. I will show you here. You can see, and it is very hydrating, and instantly your skin will feel so much relaxed, and it has a soothing effect, which I liked so much, and it is not at all very oily on skin, and at the same time it also gives appropriate moisturization to face. And I have also tried this product for 2 to 3 times on my face, and I liked it so much. It is very lightweight, and it is not at all very heavy oily on face. And in summers my skin tends to become combination. It is normal to combination, so definitely I get a little bit of oil secretion around my nose, but this gel cream doesn't makes my face that much oily. That's why I liked it so much. Also this product has a very good smell, so the smell is quite similar with this one. This is the Lakme Peach Milk Soft Cream, you can see, and I can also tell you the difference between these two products. So this one you can see, this is the soft cream, and this particular product is a little bit more moisturizing than this gel cream. If your skin is normal to dry, then definitely you can go for this particular Lakme Peach Milk Soft Cream, which is a little bit more moisturizing than this one. And if your skin is normal to combination to oily, then definitely you can take this particular gel cream. So friends, you can see there is one ingredient in this product, that is dimethicone. So dimethicone is actually found in pore filling primers. So definitely this product is going to work as a primer before makeup. So friends, I will also do a comparison between these two products, you can see. So this is Lakme Peach Milk Gel Cream, and this is Pond's Super Light Gel. So these two products are quite similar in consistency. That is what I found. As they are gel based, so it is very good for oily skin. So that's why I wanted to tell you the differences between these two products. So the one difference that I found in these products is the ingredients. So in this Lakme Peach Milk, you'll be getting peach extract as the key ingredient, and in Pond's the main key ingredient is hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E. So hyaluronic acid has a lots of skin benefits. It has skin hydration properties, so the skin gets well moisturized if you apply any product which has hyaluronic acid in it. And it has also anti-wrinkle properties, so it has a very good capacity to retain large amounts of water, so your skin stays really hydrated, and it also helps to prevent development of wrinkles, and it fills in already present wrinkles to reduce their appearance. And vitamin E is also very beneficial for our skin. I will show you the consistency of this gel as well. You can see it is blue in color, and it is also a gel based. You can see it is also a gel, watery gel, and it is also very light. The smell is very good. I like the smell a lot. So both these products have very good soothing smell, which I liked so much. You can see it is very watery, and it gets instantly absorbed on skin. It will not take much time. You can use this product in summer and monsoon mainly because it is not very oily and it is very lightweight. And here it's written the ingredients. You can see it also has dimethicone and glycerin. This product can also be used as a primer before application of any makeup, any foundation on your face. So you can see it has 73 grams of product, and the expiry and everything is written over here. Here also we are getting 3 years of shelf life, and the MRP is also rupees 149. So there are two sizes tubs available of Pond's Superlight Gel. One is the 73 grams tub and another one is the 147 grams tub. And I have been using both of these products, and I can tell you there is not much difference in the consistency, and both of these products are very good for normal to oily skin. And dry skin people can also use them in summers, but if you are having dry to very super dry skin, then in that case this product might not be very moisturizing for you. So this particular product I highly recommend for this current climatic conditions. Now it's very hot and humid, so definitely this product is going to work well. It also moisturizes skin, and it also will give a very good feeling on face. So friends, I hope you like this video and this video has helped you. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free, to enjoy more such type of videos. And also please give it a big thumbs up and share with your friends. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care and love you all.